What can the archives reveal about your family history, your ancestors? A really fabulous story materialised in my family history a few years ago. Because of the research of a cousin, Jenny, I was able to explore a part of my family that I had no idea the story existed for. It was a mixture of research on the internet and research in the archives that led Jenny to many, many stories about the needs part of my family. A story that included smuggling and revenue men down in Devon in the UK. So sometimes it's only about exploring the wealth that our archives hold that reveal the stories in our family history. You need to get out into the archives, get off the internet at times, and research the records, the documents that are sitting in boxes, on shelves, stored in the archives of our country. It's likely that only 10% of all the records that are available in our archives will ever get online. Those 10% will be commercially viable. The other 90% won't be, but that 90% could hold many, many stories of your family history. The particular story I'm thinking about, the Needs family, has smuggling in there. It goes back a number of generations, right through to the 17th and the 16th century. There's stories of murder, there's stories of revenue men chasing smugglers, there's stories of occupations and businesses owned, and how money was made, sometimes back of hand as well. So get into the archives, search out those stories.